Hello guys, magandang buhay. Ayan, sama kayo sa gala namin guys. Hanap tayo ng Pinoy food here in Taiwan guys. So, let's go! With me is my sister guys. Ayan. So, punta kami sa Wonwon here in Taipei. So, nandoon guys, merong mga pagkain Pinoy doon. So, I'm here 5 years na sa Taiwan. I miss so much Pinoy. So, here we are guys. Ayan. Mamimili tayo ng order natin. Yung mga pagkain na nimiss natin sa Pinas. Ayan. Enjoy watching guys. Ayan. Ang sarap. Chop suey. Ang sarap ng mga pagkain Pinas guys. Sobrang na-miss ko to. For 5 years. Hindi ako nakakain ng mga lutong Pinoy. So, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy sa mga pagkain Pinoy na mapapanood ninyo guys. Mwah!
Everybody in the world mine. Please Lord give me a sign, Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions, each new update that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my
own guys, sarap diba? So, kung OFW kayo here in Taiwan guys, you can find Lutong Pinoy here at Wonwon. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. I love you all. Thank you. So, dahil busog na tayo guys, uwian na din. Craving satisfied. Bye!